Welcome, in front of me is an Nothing Phone 2, and today I'll show you how you can record a screen on this device. So to get started, you want to pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen like this, and swipe down once again to extend the list of toggles. Now on one of the pages we should have our screen recording toggle, so if you don't see it on the first page, keep swiping to the left in hopes to find it on one of the pages. Now it looks like it's turned off by default, so we're gonna click right here on this pencil, swipe down, and there it is. So once you see the screen recording toggle, you can then hold it. It gets lift up, you can then swipe to the top, drop it, and when you go back you have now access to it. So for me it's right over here. Anyway, from here we're gonna click on it. It will bring up a couple options. So we have the record audio, you can record device audio, microphone, both, or nothing if this is turned off. And then we have also show touches on the screen, which I'll enable just so you can see how that looks like on the recording. Anyway, from here we can select start, it will begin a countdown and begin recording. So whatever you'll do right now will be recorded by the device. I'm kind of like messing around just so you can see that dot that will be under my finger. Anyway, let's see also if we have Netflix, just to showcase one more thing, but it looks like we don't, so never mind. Anyway, you can open up any kind of app and record it, though there is a limit to it. I'm gonna, before I talk about it, I'm gonna stop it. So there we go. So, talking about the limit, what I'm referring to is kind of the reason why I wanted to open up Netflix. There are certain applications that can block your screen recording, and Netflix is one of those applications, as well as probably most of the other streaming applications. Now, these tend to claim that it's for security reasons, though I don't see how this would be secure for me, that an application has more control over my own device than I do. Now, it does make sense in certain other applications like bank apps, which that is justified, but in like media streaming applications, that completely unjustified and arguably a bit of a kind of like privacy problem, I would say, that you don't have the option to change that, but whatever. Anyway, going back to the screen recording, which we have captured, we can now find it in our Photos application, so right over here. And there will be most likely a new folder. So we need to navigate to library. So it's going to be under movies apparently. So unfortunately, the device doesn't create a specific folder for screen recordings. It just puts it in movies, which will include basically any kind of a video, which includes movies, shows, your camera videos, screen recordings, and so on. So it might be a little bit of a jumbled mess later on. But anyway, you can see it right here, playing back. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.